here, I'm going to do a quick run through on the Hey Squirrel font filler app. This app will help you create alpha sets in minutes. Like, you just click a button and it will do it automatically. Now, there is a little bit of prep work you have to do. First, you'll need to create your folders. You need a base folder, which the base folder is just going to be where your solid letters are. And then you will need, if you want an outline on your letters, you will need an outline folder. And this is going to be, it's going to be your outlines for your letters. The only thing is you need to make sure the outline name of the letter and the base name of the letter match. So if your letter is just called letter A, capital A, your base letter should be capital A, and your outline for that letter should be capital A. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't have to be A, but that's just an easy way to keep up with it. Next, you will need a patterns folder, and this is what is going to fill your base letters. So you can pick whatever patterns you want. You can put however many you want in here. I would suggest maybe doing like 10 at a time or less, but you could possibly do more and run in the background. Next, you have, if you want your outlines, these outlines to have a pattern, you can upload that here. The only thing about the outline patterns, it also must match the patterns. So Hearts 1 is going to be outlined with Hearts 1 glitter pink paper here. Hearts 2 is going to be outlined in blue, and then the others, and so on. So just remember, base and outline, those two letters must match. Outline patterns and patterns must match if you choose to do an outline pattern. And then you'll just need an output or a completed alpha set folder, and this is where all of your alpha sets are going to go once they have been generated. Each one will be in a folder with the name of the pattern. For instance, Hearts 1 will be the name of your first set, Hearts 2 will be the second set, and they will all be in a separate folder. Okay, once you have your folders created, then you can open the app and you click on select base folder, and here I'm going to select the one I named base, and then you'll select your pattern folder. Same thing, patterns. I keep it at tile pattern. You could also stretch the pattern if you would like. Then I'm going to choose my outline folder. This is optional. If you don't pick an outline folder, it's going to just fill that base with the pattern. So I'm going to choose outline folder. And then outline patterns, this is totally optional too. If you don't pick an outline pattern folder, it's just going to fill it with, if your outline is a black outline, it's going to fill it with that. If you have a colored outline already, it's going to fill it with that. But I'm going to pick my outline patterns. And then since I picked outline patterns, I need to select pattern fill the outline. Because if I keep it on use original outline, it's going to just omit this folder. And then if you select no outline, it will omit both of the folders. So now I'll select my output folder. And then now I am ready to run the app. So you just click on run, and then you just let it run the process. And you can see in the little toolbar right here how far it's gone. It's showing you which letters it's filling and which patterns it's doing. And we can just see how long this takes to run for alpha sets. Okay. Once your alpha sets are done, you'll get this little pop-up and you can click OK, and you'll see that took less than 2 minutes to create 4 alpha sets. And you can also let that run in the background. You don't just have to sit here and watch it. So now if you go to your output folder, you'll see you have 4 folders in here, And when you click on those folders, you will see the alpha sets that we just made. And you can see this one was filled with the pattern, and then also the outline was filled with the pink glitter. And it's the same for the other ones, since we selected the blue glitter for this one and that pattern. And then Hearts 3 got the black glitter outline. And Hearts 4, I think we did the red glitter outline on it. And it also changed the patterns up to whatever pattern that was. But you can see this is just an easy way to create alpha sets in bulk, and it will save you time and headache of trying to place each one. And you don't need any Photoshop, any other apps. You can download this on your Mac or your PC and open it just like an app. I hope this app saves you a lot of time and a lot of headache. Thanks for watching.